Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing the Symposer delete. Now, some of you probably already know, which you have modified your cars. If you don't know, it's pretty much like it just pretty much sends like artificial sound into your obviously ST cabin, and it's pretty much like it's just fake noise pretty much. But so we're gonna be cutting that off. We're gonna be cutting the artificial noise out, and obviously just letting it like normal, like just actually hear the sound the car makes, and obviously exhaust and everything like that. That's what I've read up online. I'm not too clued up on it. If you do know more than me, just drop a comment down below on what actually what more it does. But what I know, it just literally if by doing the Symposer delete, pretty much just cuts off all the artificial sound going into your cabin bay, and then you can actually hear the engine and exhaust and stuff like that. So yeah, so let's get to it. Down here is the where it goes. So this is like the little box, which it literally just pops right out anyway. But yeah, so the first thing you need to do is just take this top of it off, like that. Goes down there for a bit. Take this engine cover off. And then pretty much, so you see this big box here, you can just push it out like that. Fucking bastard. Yeah, so it just pops out like that, and then you want to get a pair of pliers, I reckon. So it goes into the house here, but everything ready, so you just put it in there, and it's all good. It took us about a good 20 minutes to get this shitty compressor off. To get this shit off, like, yeah. So we have the new Symposer delete button, which is this. Now I'll put a link into the description down below where I got this from. But yeah, Turbo Smart. It is, yeah, literally I got this from AT or something like that. I'll double check though. But yeah, I will link to this in the description down below. But yeah, it goes into the house here, but everything ready, so you just put it in there, and it's all good. It should just plop in like that. And now obviously I want it to. Perfect. Done. So all done. I put it in. Obviously couldn't show you much because it's in one hand. I couldn't. I didn't have any help. So I'll show you what it looks like. So, yeah. So here you go. This is what it looks like. Really quite cool. Obviously put the little plug out of the way. But yeah. Obviously I haven't tested it, so I won't see what's going on. But hopefully it looks quite good. Yeah. So today is a short video. Just as a Symposer delete, which I would wanted to show you. You probably guys know what to do already, but yeah, I'm not sure exactly what it does. I know it does obviously just deletes artificial sound going into your cabin. If you do know what it is, just comment down below and let me know what it is, so I can have a bit more information about it. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and yeah, see you next video. Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.